Ever wondered how a towering tree transforms into the soft toilet paper we use every day? Dive into the fascinating journey from forest to bathroom to toilet paper manufacturing. The journey of toilet paper begins with sourcing raw materials. Wood pulp, primarily from softwood trees like spruce, pine, and fir, is the foundation of toilet paper production. Once identified, these trees are harvested and transported to the mill. This is where the transformation truly begins. At the mill, the trees undergo debarking, which removes the outer layer without wasting the valuable wood underneath. This is crucial for the next steps. The debarked logs are then chipped into uniform pieces, about 1 inch by 1/4 inch. This size is perfect for the pulping process. The wood chips are cooked in a digester to separate the cellulose fibers from lignin and other components, resulting in a pulp ready for papermaking. The pulp is washed and bleached, then spread onto wire screens to drain water and form sheets. These sheets are dried and rolled, creating the base paper. The paper rolls are embossed for texture and cut to size. Finally, they're packaged and prepared for delivery to stores worldwide. If you're finding this journey fascinating, a quick like would be amazing. Many manufacturers now use recycled materials or sustainably sourced pulp to reduce environmental impact. What are your thoughts on eco-friendly toilet paper? Let me know below. Harvesting the raw materials. The journey of toilet paper begins deep in lush forests, where softwood trees like spruce, pine, and fir are carefully selected for harvesting. These trees are chosen for their long fibers, which provide the strength and softness essential for high-quality toilet paper. Foresters skillfully select and harvest trees, ensuring sustainable practices. Harvesting involves cutting down the selected trees with precision equipment, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Once harvested, the logs undergo a debarking process. Large commercial-grade machinery strips away the bark, leaving the wood clean and ready for the next step. The bark is often used as fuel or mulch, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The debarked logs are then chipped into small, uniform pieces. This step is crucial as it increases the surface area, making it easier to extract the cellulose fibers needed for pulp production. Sustainability is key in the harvesting process. Many companies plant new trees to replace those that are cut down, ensuring forests remain healthy and abundant. This cycle of regrowth supports both the environment and the industry. The wood chips are transported to the pulp mill. This journey involves trucks or trains, efficiently moving large quantities of raw material to the next stage of production. At the pulp mill, the wood chips are prepared for pulping, the next step in transforming raw materials into toilet paper. This preparation involves sorting and cleaning to ensure high-quality pulp is produced. As we delve deeper into the manufacturing process, we witness the transformation from raw wood to soft, usable toilet paper. If you're enjoying this journey, a quick like or comment would be fantastic. Debarking and chipping the logs. Once harvested, the logs arrive at the mill. Here they're prepped for processing, marking the beginning of their transformation into toilet paper. This step is crucial for ensuring the quality and efficiency of the subsequent manufacturing stages. The debarking process removes the tough outer layer of the logs. Commercial-grade machinery strips the bark while preserving as much of the wood as possible. This step is essential for accessing the cellulose fibers needed for pulp production. Debarking is crucial because it removes impurities and ensures only the wood fibers are used in the pulp. This improves the quality and consistency of the final toilet paper product. After debarking, the logs are chipped into small, uniform pieces. These chips are typically about 1 inch by 1/4 inch, making them easier to handle and process in the next stages of production. Uniformity in chip size is critical. It ensures even cooking in the pulping process, which directly affects the quality of the pulp and, consequently, the toilet paper. Consistency is key to a smooth, efficient process. Softwoods like spruce, pine, and fir are preferred for their long fibers. These fibers contribute to the strength and softness of the toilet paper, making them ideal raw materials. Sustainable forestry practices are often employed to ensure a balance between production needs and environmental impact. This helps preserve forest ecosystems while supplying necessary materials. With the logs debarked and chipped, they are now ready for the pulping process. This preparation is essential for creating a high-quality pulp that will eventually become toilet paper. Pulping process from wood to pulp. The pulping process begins with selecting the right trees, primarily softwoods like spruce, pine, and fir. These trees are chosen for their long, strong fibers, which are ideal for making durable toilet paper. Once harvested, the trees are transported to a mill where they undergo debarking. This process removes the bark while leaving most of the wood intact, preparing the logs for the next step. After debarking, the logs are chipped into small, uniform pieces. These wood chips, typically about 1 inch by 1/4 inch, are essential for efficient pulping. The wood chips are then cooked in a chemical solution, breaking down the lignin that binds the fibers. This cooking process transforms the chips into a fibrous pulp. After cooking, the pulp is washed to remove impurities. It is then bleached to achieve the desired whiteness, crucial for the final appearance of toilet paper. The pulp undergoes screening to remove any remaining large particles. Refining follows, which enhances the fiber properties, ensuring the pulp is ready for papermaking. Recycling plays a role, with some pulp made from recycled paper. This sustainable practice reduces waste and supports environmental conservation. If you're interested in more sustainable practices, let us know in the comments. Finally, the refined pulp is ready for the papermaking process. This crucial step marks the transition from raw material to the soft, absorbent toilet paper we use daily. Throughout the pulping process, quality control ensures the pulp meets specific standards. This attention to detail is vital for producing high-quality toilet paper. If you're enjoying this deep dive into manufacturing, a quick like would be amazing. Bleaching and refining the pulp. Bleaching is a crucial step in toilet paper production, where the natural brown color of the wood pulp is transformed into the familiar white. This process not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures the softness and purity of the final product. Bleaching involves several chemical agents: chlorine dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, oxygen-based compounds. In the bleaching process, pulp is treated with these chemicals in large tanks. The chemicals break down the lignin, a substance that binds fibers and gives wood its color. This results in a lighter, cleaner pulp ready for refining. Once bleached, the pulp undergoes refining. Mechanical processes beat and blend the fibers, enhancing their bonding capabilities. This step is essential for achieving the soft texture we expect from toilet paper. Quality control ensures the pulp is ready for papermaking. Consistency checks, purity tests, softness evaluation. Modern bleaching methods consider environmental impacts. By using less harmful chemicals and recycling water, manufacturers minimize ecological footprints, contributing to sustainable production practices. The refined and bleached pulp is now uniform, soft, and bright. It serves as the perfect base for creating high-quality toilet paper, ready to move on to the next phase of production. Bleaching and refining stages significantly affect the toilet paper's final quality. They ensure the paper is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also soft and strong. If you're finding this insightful, a like would be appreciated. Forming and drying the paper. The process begins by mixing wood pulp with water and chemicals to create a slurry. This slurry is essential as it forms the base material for the paper. The mixture is stirred thoroughly to ensure even distribution of fibers. The slurry is poured onto a moving mesh screen. Here, water drains away, and the fibers start to interlock, forming a continuous sheet of paper. This is the first step towards creating the thin sheets we use daily. Once the paper sheet is formed, it undergoes pressing. Large rollers squeeze out additional water, compacting the fibers tightly together. This step is crucial for achieving the desired thickness and strength. After pressing, the paper moves through a series of heated rollers or dryers. These dryers remove any remaining moisture, leaving the paper dry and ready for further processing. This drying phase is critical for ensuring a smooth finish. To achieve a uniform and smooth texture, the paper passes through calendering rollers. These rollers polish the surface, enhancing the paper's feel and appearance. This step ensures the paper is soft to the touch. Quality control is vital in paper manufacturing to ensure consistency and quality. Checks include thickness and weight measurement, surface smoothness assessment, moisture content evaluation. Once the paper meets quality standards, it's cut into narrow strips and rolled. These rolls are what will eventually become individual toilet rolls. This stage is where precision cutting ensures minimal waste. Before packaging, each roll undergoes a final inspection. This ensures it meets all standards. Once approved, rolls are packaged and sent off for distribution. If you're enjoying this insight into manufacturing, consider subscribing for more. Converting pulp into toilet paper rolls. The pulp is spread onto massive screens, allowing water to drain and fibers to bond into sheets. These sheets then pass through heated rollers which press and dry them, creating the base paper for toilet rolls. Embossing adds texture and increases the paper's softness and absorbency. Large rollers with engraved patterns press into the paper, creating the familiar quilted look we see on toilet paper. Toilet paper is perforated to make it easy to tear. This involves precise cuts made by blades on the rollers, creating evenly spaced perforations that don't compromise the paper's integrity. The continuous sheet is wound onto large spools. These spools are then cut into smaller, manageable rolls, which are familiar to consumers. This step ensures the paper is tightly wound and ready for use. Quality checks ensure each roll meets standards for strength and softness. Rolls are sampled, tested, and examined for any defects before moving to the next stage. This guarantees a reliable product for consumers. The finished rolls are packaged in plastic or paper wrappers, often in multi-packs. Packaging is designed to protect the rolls and provide branding information for consumers. Packaged rolls are loaded onto pallets and distributed to stores worldwide. This logistical step involves careful planning to ensure timely delivery and availability in retail outlets. If you're finding this journey fascinating, a quick like would be amazing. The transformation from raw pulp to finished toilet paper rolls is complete. Each step, from pulping to packaging, is crucial in ensuring the product's quality and sustainability, ready for consumer use. Packaging and distribution. Once the toilet paper is rolled and cut to size, it's time to prepare them for packaging. Each roll is inspected for quality, ensuring they meet the required standards. This step ensures that only the best rolls make it to the shelves. The toilet paper rolls are then wrapped, often in plastic or paper, to keep them clean and protected. This wrapping process is automated, allowing for quick and efficient handling of large volumes of rolls. Next, the wrapped rolls are grouped into batches, typically in packs of 4, 6, or more, depending on the brand's packaging strategy. This batching process is crucial for easy handling and transportation. Each batch is labeled with the brand's distinctive logo and information, making them easily recognizable for consumers. Branding is not just about aesthetics, it also conveys quality and trust. The labeled packs are then stacked onto pallets. Palletizing ensures stability during transport and maximizes space efficiency in shipping containers. This step is vital for a smooth distribution process. Loaded onto trucks, these pallets begin their journey to distribution centers and retailers. Efficient loading strategies are employed to optimize space and maintain the integrity of the product during transit. Reaching retailers and consumers is the final step in the distribution chain. From the distribution centers, toilet paper is delivered to stores, ready for consumers to purchase and use in their homes. Sustainability in packaging is gaining importance. Manufacturers are increasingly using recycled materials and reducing plastic to appeal to eco-conscious consumers. What are your thoughts on this shift? Let me know below.